feel better every day. The troubles I had have been washed away. I'm cleaning up my act and moving on. In the silence of my room, I sleep all night and get up at noon. There's nothing to distract me in my dreams. Like a pillow on my face, no one can hurt or invade my space. I still walk the streets with my head high. And though I wonder where I'd be if no one had helped or remembered me, I know my own will has got me through. I know why I should try to find out why I feel so There's a comfort to be found when you find out there's no one else around. Set your mind off track and lead you on. And though I wonder what I'd do if you hadn't told me to see it through, I know I could make it without you. I know I should try to find out why I feel so high. Coming up again to get a breath of air. In the water everything is fine. Now we'll stay in here until the day is through. For a while I like to feel the buzzing in my head. I know why I should try to find out why I feel so
We're gonna
Too old for that.
vein. We're not hopped up vein.
Yeah, we need something to do that we get too old. The old grandpa and grandma need to get in the fucking place to be warm in winter.
Jesse was born on a winter's night in the middle of a storm. The road was blocked, so Jesse was born in this old house. Raised on love in those sunny years when there was magic in the world. Laughter traveled well across those hardwoods. Jesse came home on a Friday night in the middle of a game. He left her for the bottle.